SLS 3D printing is used by engineers, product designers, and manufacturers for its design freedom, high productivity, and ability to directly print end-use parts. But the reality is, traditional selective laser sintering, or SLS systems, typically require extensive training, tools, and effort to operate and maintain. That's where Formlabs comes in. The Fuse series ecosystem redefines SLS by making industrial 3D printing simple and accessible. Now you can print production-ready parts in-house, giving you total control over your manufacturing, accelerating turnaround times with same-day builds, and allowing you to rethink your entire production strategy. Hi, I'm Chris Lee, a senior sales engineer at Formlabs. I also run one of the SLS print farms here at our headquarters in Boston. In this video, I'll walk you through the Fuse series ecosystem, which includes preparing your print in preform software, printing with the Fuse series printer, powder recovery and management with the Fuse Sift, and automatic part cleaning and polishing with the Fuse Blast. And lastly, I'll share some essential safety tips. Preform is our free and intuitive software that automates print setup, orient models, estimate print times, and automatically pack parts to reduce print time and minimize material waste. Start by importing your 3D model. Open your mesh or CAD file directly into Preform to bring it into the build scene. From the job setup window, select your Fuse series printer. Then choose your material. Formlabs offers a variety of high-performance thermoplastic powders to fit your application needs, from standard nylons to nylon composites to TPU, each with pre-validated print settings to ensure consistent, reliable results. For advanced users, Open Material Mode unlocks the freedom to experiment with third-party materials, enabling specialized applications beyond the Formlabs material library. Additionally, Preform's Print Settings Editor allows customization of a range of print setting parameters and the ability to easily share print setting files with others. With your parts now in the build scene, optimize your print with one-click print. Preform's powerful 3D packing algorithm automatically arranges models to increase throughput and reduce material waste by optimizing the pack density. You can also fine-tune part orientation by locking each model into a specific position, helping maintain uniformity across all printed parts. Preform offers additional tools like part cages, texturing, hollowing, labeling, and drain holes to customize parts, improve print success, and simplify post-processing. Once your build is ready, you can send it to the printer via USB, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi. Now that we've uploaded the print file, let's move over to the Fuse 1 Plus 30 Watt. Trusted by over half of the world's SLS users, the Fuse 1 Plus 30 Watt is our flagship industrial 3D printer, designed to bring high-performance, in-house production within reach. Unmatched speed, material versatility, and an intuitive workflow enable same-day turnaround for most jobs. The user-friendly touchscreen guides you through setup. Start by checking that the printer is loaded with enough SLS powder for your job. Open the door and insert a clean build chamber, making sure to connect the build chamber plug securely. While doing this, inspect the build area for leftover powder from previous prints and vacuum as needed. An optical cassette in the Fuse 1 Plus 30 Watt protects the laser system, while the IR sensor actively monitors the build temperature. To ensure consistent performance, confirm that both are clean before beginning your print. For certain materials, printing in an inert gas environment can improve mechanical performance and recyclability. The Fuse 1 Plus 30 Watt supports this functionality through a dedicated port in the back of the printer. Finally, complete the pre-print checks on the touchscreen. This should only take about 5 to 10 minutes. Now you're ready to start your print. Layer by layer, Fuse series printers dispense and heat powder in the build chamber, then fuse it into solid structures using a powerful laser. Unsintered powder surrounds your parts for support-free printing, allowing for complex geometries and tight tolerances that are difficult to achieve with other 3D printing technologies. Formlabs' Surface Armor technology prints a semi-sintered shell around your parts, ensuring superior mechanical properties, a smooth surface finish, and exceptionally high packing densities. Throughout the printing process, the printer is self-monitoring through an embedded camera that inspects each fused layer. You can watch the printer via a live feed in Preform, and if anything needs your attention, you'll receive a notification. You can also track job progress and material usage through our online dashboard, making it easy to manage multiple printers simultaneously. The Fuse Sift is an all-in-one powder management station that streamlines part extraction, powder recovery, and mixing. Once your print is complete, transfer the used build chamber to the Fuse sift to finish cooling. At this time, a separate empty build chamber can be inserted to begin printing a new job. The Fuse sift features both a touchscreen and physical controls. To begin, turn on the light. This activates the negative air pressure system, which keeps powder from escaping the workbench and enables open access and easy cleanup. For a fully sealed workspace, enhance part extraction with the Fuse sift glove box, a simple add-on that contains dust and supports an efficient, ergonomic workflow. To extract your printed parts, raise the print bed. SLS printed parts are surrounded by unsintered powder, which we call the powder cake. Push the powder cake to the center of the workspace and activate the sifter. As you gently break away loose powder from your parts, the sifter vibrates to separate the unsintered powder into the hopper below, where it's stored for future prints. If you're using the Fuse Blast, only rough depowdering is needed. After retrieving your parts, use the integrated powder-safe vacuum for fast and easy cleanup. Fresh powder is stored in a dedicated hopper. The Fuse sift will automatically dose the new and used powder into a powder cartridge based on the material's refresh rate, the ratio of new to recycled powder required for a successful print. Use the mixer on the side of the sift to ensure that it is consistently combined. After mixing, the powder is ready for your next print. Formlabs also offers the Fuse depowdering kit as a more affordable, manual solution for powder recycling. If you plan to regularly print in different materials for maximum throughput, Formlabs recommends dedicating a separate Fuse series printer and Fuse sift or depowdering kit for each material. Once your parts are separated, bring them to the Fuse Blast. The Fuse Blast is a fully automated finishing solution that uses compressed air and abrasive media to clean SLS parts in as little as 10 minutes. Unlike standard media blasting cabinets, the Fuse Blast is fully sealed and can operate next to a Fuse printer or sift without risk of media contamination. It features both automated and manual cleaning modes. Pre-programmed settings and an inline ionizer ensure consistent, professional-grade results across multiple batches, delivering consumer-ready parts that are clean to the touch. With the optional polishing system, Fuse Blast takes your parts to another level by polishing them to a smooth, semi-gloss surface finish. Once post-processing is complete, your parts are ready for use. Parts can be painted, dyed, vapor smoothed, electroplated, or cerakoted to meet further aesthetic or functional needs. Whether you're prototyping or producing end-use parts, the Fuse series ecosystem gives you everything you need to go from design to finished product with ease. The Fuse series ecosystem is designed to operate safely in a wide range of environments: machine shops, labs, and even office settings, following the recommended safety considerations. Operators should consider wearing N95 or better particulate filtering respirators, nitrile gloves, and safety glasses. For further safety information, refer to the material safety data sheets and product user manuals located on the Formlabs website, and consider any local regulations specific to your area. Formlabs also offers online training videos and live Q&A sessions through our service plans to help you follow best practices in powder handling and machine operation. From rapid prototyping to end-use parts, the Fuse series ecosystem puts industrial-grade SLS in your hands, without the steep learning curve. Take control of your production workflow with precision, power,